So I'm back with, I put it in the microwave for 18 minutes. I sprinkle a little bit of the arrowroot on the top of it. It's still kind of warm, but this is what I have. And I guess you can hear it, a little bit of it. Let me empty it out here. See what we have. Oh Lord. Look like a complete mess. I don't know. Because I had it in the microwave for that long. I started doing something. Getting hard as up. So I guess the little ice that was on the bottom of it came off. Let's see. What in the world have I made? Now this right here like pure plastic. Let's see. Okay. I don't know, y'all. I probably just need to give this shit up. Okay. So that was like plastic. See, look. This was in the tray. I don't know if that came from the bottom of that or that, but that's all on it. So I'm gonna take that little part off because it might have just stuck to the plastic of the thing. Let's take this off. And like you got the peeling. Okay. This was what I made. Okay. It's still warm. So I'm just gonna let it sit out. Definitely I'm gonna let it sit out and then come back tomorrow. Let's see what it do. But put it in the microwave gave it a better taste. But I don't know. Y'all, I'm completely tired. So I'm gonna say goodnight to you all. Y'all, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm usually upbeat, but I'm tired. Yeah, when this cool off, this is gonna be pretty good. Kind of hard for some of them, and that's what we want. But I want to get it to the point where it just like be crunchy, like in an ice tray. Or I might just have to do it like everybody else been doing it. I really don't have time for all that, I don't think. But until then, y'all have a good night.